Today, we will talk about how to start a bracelet making business. Let's have a look at the details. Do you ever need money, can't figure out how to get it, but want to earn it while having fun? If this sounds like you, read on. Don't attract customers with something boring like a lemonade stand. You want something unique and original. Also, you want to be able to sell year-round. Buy the supplies needed to start a new sensation. In a notebook, write a list of names you want to call your store. Pick your favorite and write with Sharpie the name on the poster board. Tape the sign to the box or table. Watch some YouTube videos on how to make friendship bracelets. Pre-make 5 to 10. In the notebook, make a list of bracelets the customers can buy with the price. On the next page, draw a chart with 5 columns. Label them. First name, last name, type of braid, colors, and cost. Next to a cost, write a little note saying, "Please do not write here." It's for you to fill in the total cost. Put all of your supplies in the shoebox. Carry store to the bottom of the driveway and start taking orders. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.